What is reference type? Reference type is we have this string s1. This s1 will point to some location in memory. This is a reference to some address in memory. S2 is the same. So what happens is when we're like creating a new object right here, this creates an object in the heap, and we have a pointer that point to its location. So this S1 have an address. This S2 also has a different address. So when we're trying to compare those two different addresses, it should be returning false because we have two different addresses. And let's run it and see. Alright, so does string 1 match S2? It is actually false. So what happens if we, even if we try to make both of them are the same value, both are Steven, and let's run it again, we find that it's also false. Why? Even so, they are the same. Why? Because this one has different reference and this one has also different reference. But what happens if we try to use dot equals here? Dot equals, for you guys to know, it's comparing the content itself. It doesn't really compare the references. It compares the content. So if we run it again, we'll find that it's gonna be true. So from that we understand that S1 is comparing references, and if we were gonna be trying to compare content, we're gonna be need to use equals here. Hopefully you have kind of some understanding of what is the reference type here.